Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Hasn't it been a while? My goodness. Today I'm actually going to scrap. And if you saw my last video, probably a month ago now, I said, I wasn't into paper crafting at the time. I just gone through a stage where I just did not want to do any paper crafting. And slowly I've been feeling the urge to do some more. And then went op shopping, came across a big haul of craft stuff, and I posted that video up. That's my last video I put up, so check it out if you want to see the amazing things I got at ridiculous prices. And then I thought I'll come back, in the next week or so with a video. Little did I know that I would then start to have an issue with my eyesight, and now I'm waiting cataract surgery, so it's a struggle to see. Everything looks like I'm looking through a dark fog, but I really want to scrap, so I'm going to do a page today. As I was sorting out what I wanted to do, I thought, well, let's start with a base page because that's nice and simple. There's not too much I need to do to it, and I don't need to see that great to be able to do it. So I don't want anything, where I have to measure lots of things or do some fine detailed cutting out or anything like that. So I'm going to keep it simple today. But while I was going through sorting out what I was going to do, I came across this tray, which if you've been in my, on my page or following my YouTube journey for some time, you'll probably recognize half this stuff, because I swear 12 months or so ago, I came across this tray with all this stuff in it. And I remember at the time saying, well, I'm just going to work through this, we'll just do what comes up. So, there's a nice bright challenge here. So, we'll do something with that, and then we'll go through all these, what are they called? Oh my Lord, it has gone. What are they called? Sketches. Oh, goodness me. Oh, it's been a while. Go through these sketches, and do a page for each one and work my way through this tray that's got all sorts of stuff in it. So anyway, that didn't happen, obviously, and I've added to it since then. So I've got a heap of layouts that I've done. I just need to add photos to, so I probably won't show them. I mean, I'll show the pages, but I won't show the photos because I like a bit of privacy at the moment. Don't want to put photos up. And then I did a whole heap of base pages for a base page hop that obviously I didn't participate in, because there is so many base pages in there. So lots of base pages coming up. And then I found these ones that I'd already put photos to. So, that is what is coming, hopefully. Now, saying that, I don't know how regularly I'm going to be back. Let me just get this out of the way. Alright, I'll bring in what I'm working on today, and then, oh no, and destroy my desk at the same time. Alright, and now I'm going to sit down. Right, so I don't know how regularly I'll be back, because like I said, I'm struggling to see, and the cataract's in my right eye, and I probably should tell the story after I start scrapping. See, I'm all over the place, out of practice. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I'm using this base page, which is just all project life cards that I've just glued in a grid to a piece of white cardstock. I have my photo, and what I'm planning to do is use these as my subheadings. Now, the embellishments, I'll quickly run through them, and then I'll just start scrapping and chat at the same time. So I have some print shop embellishments by Vicky Booton, and they're the florals and the words and leaves and stuff. I have, oh my gosh, now I'm going to yawn. What is with that? Oh goodness. Right, I've got Sun-Kissed titles, foam title stickers by Cocoa Vanilla. These are yonks old, but all my stash is yonks old. I haven't bought anything for years, so if you're here to see new stuff, no, go somewhere else. Alright, so I'm going to use them. And then I just also had in my big pile of embellishments this Cocoa Vanilla Life is Beautiful. And at this stage, I was looking for things that was sort of these colours that are on these Project Life cards. And of course I used Sunshine because it's got a big sun down here. And I saw these two hearts. I went, oh, I can use them. And then I saw this memories and thought, well, that sort of goes in the tones of the orange on there and the love hearts. So I'm going to use that. So anyway, that is what I'm going to do. Now, I do have a pack of, and paper to go with it, a range from, who are they? Uniquely Creative, that has cats and dogs. And I was going to use some of the embellishments, but for the life of me, I cannot find it. So I'm just going to go with this. Right, so I'm going to glue this down. Right, so anyway, yeah, the cataract in the right eye means that everything is blurry, and it came on really suddenly, and that is probably because I have type 2 diabetes and I haven't had it in the last 6 months. It's been well under control, but before that, probably not the best it could have been. So therefore, yeah, I have had high sugars, and it has caused a bit of an issue with my eyes. So anyway, but it means that I can't see well in bright light. Everything's like looking through a really thick fog, and I can't see in low light. So I've got to have the two bright lights on to do the scrapbooking so that you can see, and I can't turn them off. It'll be too dull for me to see, and you won't see anything anyway. So we're just going to go with it and see what we can do. Right, so my thought was to use all these flowers. So I picked out all the coordinating flowers from that Vicky Bouton embellishment pack, and just pop them aside for the ones I wanted to use. And I think I want to do like sorry, the word sunshine down here, and have like a shelf under the photo. So we will see if that actually works. And then I think I don't want to see the little speech thing there, because I don't think I want to put the journaling down up there. I want to do it down here. So I want to cover that. So let's just put a photo there. Now this one I can cover the photo because there's just junk on that table behind me. So this is me holding our cat when she was little, and that's when she was still really nice and would let you hold her. Now you can't go anywhere near her, and she hisses and carries on. So, and I think that was from, we left her at a cattery once for the first time when we went somewhere, and it didn't go well for her. She really didn't enjoy it. I don't think they treated her nicely, because she came back a different cat, unfortunately. Alright, so I've got a little XOXO here. Thought I'd put that there. So this is going to be a really simple page. I'm not going to do much to it. Basically, that's it, except for the sunshine. Add those love hearts and that memories. Alright, so I'm happy with how all that is sitting. So this one I might put on a foam thingy, only because it's sitting above the photo. So hopefully, if I can see well enough to do this page. I mean, it's not easy, and I really can't see everything clearly, but you know, you just gotta try, don't you? And I just felt like scrapping, and I went, oh, I don't know when I'm going to see or get my surgery. I saw the specialist last Wednesday, but he's only new to this side of Brisbane. Apparently he was more south side before he came here, so he hasn't set all his surgery dates with the hospital, private hospital across the road yet from where his rooms are, unfortunately. So I'm waiting for a date, and I could feel glue there, but you know, I cannot see it. So I'm going to wait for that to dry a bit more, get my magic eraser and have a rub over that area, because I cannot see where that glue is. Yeah, so if you have diabetes, please take it seriously. Please keep your sugars under control. And the problem is, you know, I'm no medical expert. I've just lived it, you know. The issue is that the symptoms, or basically there's not a lot of symptoms. And if your sugars are out of control, you are doing damage that you don't know about. And only time will tell what you're doing to your body. So, unfortunately for me, I was doing damage I didn't know about to my eyes, and the cataracts came on the cataract came on really suddenly. I apparently have cataracts in both eyes, but it's the right one that's really affecting me because that is where I cannot see. It's blurry. So if I cover my left eye with my hand, it's like you are in a pea soup a pea super fog, basically. If I cover my right eye with my hand, I can see a lot clearer. It's a little bit blurry because, you know, I've got a slight cataract on the left, but it's not as bad. But I can just see a little bit, it's just a bit blurry, but it's not foggy. I put my glasses on, it's not too bad. Depends, you know, what I'm looking at. But anyway, so yeah, if you have diabetes, please, please, please take it seriously. And also, that was a bit far across. Never mind. I'm going to put that there on a dimensional, I think. Yeah, because it doesn't sneak up on you. It hits you with a bam. So I didn't know I had a problem until, it's a month ago now, I think it was. I noticed that my eyesight was like blurry. It just felt weird. Like, I noticed it particularly looking at the computer. And it was harder to see, and I thought, well, I must be really tired, because, you know, when I get tired at times my eyes go a bit blurry, foggy, I don't know how to describe it. And I thought, I must just be really tired. So I thought, oh, it'll clear in a few days. So I, you know, made sure I went to bed early and all stuff like that. And after a week or so it was the same, and I went, well, that's not right. So went to see the optometrist, and she goes, oh yes, you have a cataract in that eye. Oh, great. So it wasn't going to get better by itself. No matter how much sleep I got, it wasn't going to get better. Anyway, alright, so I'm just putting these leaves in, and it's nice and simple. I love base pages, they are so quick. Alright, now let's put this sunshine in. Oh goodness. Alright, now hopefully this comes off okay. Oh my lord. So thank you to all my new subscribers since I have popped a video up. Like I said at the start, it's been some time. Hopefully I can, you know, come back with a few more. And I normally will talk at the start of my video and then just pop music over the top and speed it up. But I thought, well, this is going to be a nice quick one today. I think I can just record as I go, not have to speed anything up. It's not going to be really long. Okay, so I'm going to put, I want it offset a little bit. So let's hope I don't distort the word too much. But when they're really old, they're going to distort. I think that's going to be okay. Sunshine, that S is a little bit odd. Let's try and rearrange, or is it the U? It's the U. Right, let's hope that this actually stays in place. They need to come up a little bit, don't they? Because the glue is not that great, so... Anyway, I'm not going to fiddle with that anymore because I really can't see what I'm doing. So, right, we need a little dot in our eye. And we've got a little gold love heart, so I'm going to use that because I'm going to put love hearts on these two love hearts. Right, now my memories, I'm going to put there because I'm going to put, I think, my journaling down here, but that might need a little bit more glue. I'm just going to put it below this line of green stripes. Okay. I'm hoping that is straight. We'll see. Right, now I've got 3 hearts to put on. I've got a little one, which I think I might put up here. A bigger one, which I might put down here. Yeah, let's go there. And then we've got the gold one on here. There's 2 golds on here, but I'm only going to use one. Oh, actually, there's 3 on here. I'm going to use one because then I have 1, 2, 3 golds. So I'm going to put the gold one up here. That's the slightly bigger one. Are they the same? They're the same. Oh, that one's a bit bigger. I might use this one. It's not as big as that one. It's bigger than that one. Then I have 3 different sizes of hearts. Cool. Alright, and there we go. It is complete. Nice and quick. Wow, and I know that is more a blue colour than this, but I think it blends. And the greens are a different green, but it all, well, I think it all blends. So if it doesn't blend, let me know, because you know, I can't see. I'm just feeling for that glue. Alright, so this eraser, I think when I bought it, they used to be advertised as a rub-on remover. So like if you use rub-ons and it doesn't work properly or you don't like it, you can rub it off. Or you get extra rub-on you didn't mean to get on off a sheet or whatever. But I think now they're marketed as erasers for glue. So, I don't know, they work either way. So I know there was glue I felt somewhere else, or saw somewhere else. No, that might be it. Okay, that is it. That is my page for today. I hope you have liked it. If you have and you're new here, please give it the thumbs up if you've liked it. Also, please subscribe if you like what I've done today and think you might like what I'm going to do moving forward. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.